Your kids and family will love this, and honestly you will love how this is easy to make. Today's recipe is a Christmas pastry you can enjoy anytime. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today 2 of my 12 days of Christmas recipes where I'm sharing simple holiday treats you can make without stress. I start by taking my puff pastry which I got from the store and cutting it into even sized pieces. This already saves so much time, especially during the busy Christmas season. Then I transferred each puff pastry pieces onto my lined baking tray. If you are seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please support me by subscribing, liking, sharing and turning on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. I'll be using cream cheese and my homemade blueberry compote for this recipe, but you can also use strawberry if that's what you have. I add a dollop of cream cheese in the center of each pastry sheet and spread it out. Then I added my blueberry compote on each. If you want a video of how I made the blueberry compote, type blueberry in the comment section and I'm going to drop the video. If you've watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell and drop your comments. Once the filling is on, I gently fold each pastry over. Continue with this process until you use up all your puff pastry. Then I brush with egg wash to get that golden finish, and then I transferred it into my already preheated oven to bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown at 180 degrees. This is the kind of Christmas starter or snack that disappears fast, especially when served warm with tea or hot chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.